Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on PSP. It is important to understand that Roblox is a modern online gaming platform designed for current hardware and operating systems. The PlayStation Portable, or PSP, is an older handheld console, released many years ago. Due to significant technical differences and the PSP's limited capabilities, directly playing Roblox natively on a PSP is simply not possible. Roblox demands a powerful processor, dedicated graphics capabilities, and at least 1 GB of RAM for smooth operation. The PSP's hardware and software architecture are fundamentally incompatible with these requirements. Furthermore, Roblox games need a constant, stable internet connection, ideally 4 to 8 megabits per second, which the PSP's older networking capabilities cannot reliably provide for modern online gaming. While you cannot play Roblox natively on a PSP, some users explore screen mirroring solutions. This involves running Roblox on a personal computer and then streaming the video output to your PSP screen. It is crucial to understand that the game itself is still running on the computer, not the PSP. This workaround often results in noticeable input lag and reduced visual quality, making for a less than ideal gaming experience. For the best and most enjoyable Roblox experience, we highly recommend playing on officially supported modern platforms. These include personal computers, Mac devices, iOS and Android smartphones or tablets, and Xbox consoles. Always ensure your chosen device meets the minimum system requirements for optimal performance. Remember to download Roblox only from official app stores or the official Roblox website to ensure security and receive the latest updates.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.